This is Tim Tucker, AE6LX from worldwidedx.com. I'm going to show you how to set up the Retevis Ailunce HS4 10-meter radio to work FM repeaters on 10 meters. The radio doesn't really come with a way to set up the offset properly on the radio itself, but you can use this program, this application programming software that's available for download to do that. So this is pretty simple. I'm going to run through this real fast. What I've done here is you can see the channels that are here by default. I've selected channel F, and you can scroll down and you can see all the 5 kilohertz default segments. Come down to the bottom here. What I've done is I've added 4 new memory settings where I've input the receive frequency, the transmit frequency, it's the standard offset for 10 meter FM, and then whatever settings you want here, and on the far right, the CT CSS tone for encode. If you want to set the decode, if the repeater passes that, is fine too. Most of them don't, so I just set it up this way. That's pretty much it. And then all you need to do is write to the radio, which I've already done, so I'm not going to do it here. Save your file so that you can recall this later, and then you're all set. So let's do a quick demonstration on that. Okay, we're back at the radio here, so let's do a little demonstration on a local 10-meter repeater. So you can see I've got channel 40, 41, these are the standard program. Now I jumped to channel 50, the ones I just programmed. I'm going to move up to a local repeater, and let's key this up. AE6LX. And you can see now it works 10-meter FM on the HS4 just fine.